Today we're looking at a 2013 Buick Regal Turbo. It's got 29,000 miles on it. All right, it's white Diamond Tricoat in color, and it is a CARFAX One-Owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Nice chrome door handles with the lock unlock button. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. It is equipped with rear park assist, but it has no backup camera, but it does have the park assist. Rear of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. All right, it also is equipped with the sunroof. We'll give you another shot of that once we get inside the vehicle. Everything on the exterior of this Buick's in good shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black and black door panels. Nice trim piece through here. Power locks, power windows. All right, got your power side mirrors. And it also has the Harman Kardon audio. Black leather seating. Power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. No problems there. Does have your keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat leather is also in good shape. I'll go ahead and pan out and give you a shot of the sunroof. Alright, it does have navigation. It is an automatic. It's got your dual climate controls and heated seats. Alright, this is your entertainment area here. It's got your home screen, push button start. Does have different kind of driving modes. Got your sport mode and tour mode. Okay, and there's going to be your display screen right there. All right, it does have the leather wrapped steering wheel with the steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and it also has the heated steering wheel. And one more thing I wanted to show you real quick. Right here in the center console, you lift it up. It's got you a USB outlet there, auxiliary outlet, and your power outlet right down here. Might be a little hard to see that, but right down there in that little hole right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,950 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the navigation. Let me knock that glare off there for you. Okay, there's your navigation. All right, we'll get back to the home screen here. All right, and then you have the different apps that you can scroll through. Your entertainment system lit up, your dual climate controls, heated seats. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Back seat leather is also in great shape. Alright, this thing's well taken care of. It's a 2013 with only 29,000 miles on it. And this thing is in great shape. Give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go and take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. It's got your cargo net back here. Go ahead and lift this up. Let's see, let me take this off real quick so I can lift that up. And you got your spare tire under there. Right, everything back here in the trunk is in good shape. Stand to the side a little bit and let you get the depth so you can see just how much room you got back there. Plenty of room. Check out the wheels and tires. We've got 19-inch alloys. Tires are still in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, so 2013 Buick Regal Turbo. It's got 29,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, this thing's in great shape. Low miles on a 13. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.